Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a goddess braid using Dr. Lott's color braiding hair. This is their color Lucky. I bought 3 packs. This is their color Lush. It's kind of like a dark ashy green color. It sort of matches the dark green in my hair, but I'm not going to use it. And this is their color dark green. This is by a different brand but the same website. And I normally use this braid in here for my braids or my twists. But Lucky and dark green look exactly the same, so I think I'm just going to use Lucky because it looks a little thicker. So I'm just going to take it out of the packaging. I'm keeping the rubber band exactly where it is. To style my hair, I like to use the Edge Wax Extreme Hold and Tgin Miracle Repair Prescription Curl Food. I'm just going to take my hair out of this ponytail and spray it with some water so that I can detangle it. And I just realized that I do not have my brush or my comb, so there we go. Now I'm just gonna comb my hair, comb out the curls so that I can get a smooth finish when I get ready to put it back into a ponytail. I'm just combing it from tips to the roots. And then I'm gonna spray it some more just to re-wet it and apply the curl food to my hair all over. Then I'm gonna take my brush and brush my hair up, trying to get my hair as smooth as it can be. And then I'm gonna take my edge wax, rub it into my palm, and apply it all over, all around. Making sure that I'm getting it in as even as possible. And then I'm gonna take my brush and smooth everything out one last time. And then I'm gonna take my hair tie, put my hair into a ponytail, try to get it as smooth and as tight as I can get it. I'm gonna take some more hair food and apply it to the hair and twist my hair all the way down to the tips. And then twist it around each other so that I can create a little bun. Take another hair tie to secure it. And here I'm just trying to figure out which side I want to put it on, whether it be my left or my right side. As you can see, I choose my right side. And now I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Then I take the ponytail off so that I can pull the ends so that the end of the braid won't be so blunt. And I'm just pulling random hairs out. And then I do another method. Either way works, where I'm still just pulling random hairs. And you want to get your hair to a point. Once it's in a point, that's how you know the ends are no longer blunt. So then I put it back on using a rubber band that was already came with the pack of hair. And then I'm going to separate it into 3 strands so that I can get ready to braid it. And I just braid it loosely all the way down. I braid my hair all the way down until I get to a point where I feel like it's enough. And then I take a rubber band and secure the ends. Then I go back to the top of the braid and I flip it over the bun, making sure that's on the right side that you want it on. And I take some bobby pins and tuck it in, one in the front, one in the back, and then if you need to secure it some more, you can put in more, of course. Here you see me re-braiding it again because I forgot to take out some pieces that I wanted to be curled. You'll understand what I mean in a few. I'm just re-braiding it, literally just grabbing little pieces out of the braid before I braid it all the way back down. Again, securing it with a rubber band. And I'm taking these little perm rods to curl the ends of my hair. Taking a little section and wrapping it around the rod. Off camera, I also rolled up the strands that I took out of the braid and dipped them in some hot water. And now you see me unraveling them. You'll see that it's going to create like some little curly little strands that hangs out of the braids, and I absolutely love it. And now I'm unraveling the ends. You see they're curly as well. So this is the completed look. So the little curls just add some fun to the braid, create a little goddess flowy cute look. I'm in love with this style. I love the color, the braid, how it turned out. If you want to add some more little cute details to the braid, you can add some charms or some beads or some colored string. This is how I decide to style it. Thanks for watching.